Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming your Samsung model and Android version so you use the correct method. Once done, enable developer options by tapping build number 7 times in About Phone. This unlocks advanced toggles. Make sure the device has more than 20% battery and that you've backed up critical data, because some options temporarily disrupt navigation. Now open Settings and keep developer options visible. Next, we'll choose between immersive mode, gesture navigation, or permanent hide techniques based on your Android build. You'll now pick the method that fits. Use built-in gesture navigation for the simplest hide. Go to Display, Navigation bar, and select full screen gestures. If you need more control, use ADB on a PC. Enable USB debugging in developer options, then run ADB commands to toggle immersive mode for system UI and apps. This hides the bar across apps. Alternatively, install a reputable third-party navbar manager app for persistent hiding and extra customizations. Make sure to grant any required permissions when prompted. Finish by rebooting so system changes fully apply. Many Samsung variants need a restart to stabilize gestures or immersive settings. If the navigation bar reappears, double-check that the ADB command executed correctly, that the third-party app has overlay and auto-start permissions, and that battery optimization isn't killing the service. To temporarily restore the navbar, go back to Settings, Display, Navigation bar, and pick buttons. If problems persist, undo customizations, then reapply one method at a time to isolate the issue.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.